Hello everyone, take your hair, first tie it in the form of a rubber band. Now insert a ribbon through it and then keep tying plaits out of them. That rubber band or plaited bands will look very classy when you tie it in the downward direction. Now take your hair and then again tie it in the form of plaits. Roll the plaits upwards and in the downward direction and then in a slayly structure roll it around the first plate and you're done here. Take your hair, tie it in the form of two ponytails. Now when you form the ponytails, make it through the other part, roll it like this and then roll the downward direction again. Make plaits out of them and then roll it upwards. Tie your hair in the form of four parts. First two parts is made ponytail. The rest of the two parts are made three ponytails in layers and then rolled from upward to downward direction just like this and then rolled in a snaily part to attach it properly. Take your hair, now tie it in the form of a simpler ponytail. Divide it into three parts. Make a gap in between and pass your hair through those gaps. Now take all the three hairs together and tie it with the help of a rubber band. Then again make a gap and pass your hair through that gap. Make a circular look and then with a tight firm grip roll those parts downwards and then attach it properly. You can also decorate it with your wish with whatever hair accessory you want. Take your hair, now tie it with the help of a rubber band or you can also make plaits out of them. The plaited hair looks more classy. Take the hair from downward direction as well and again make plaits out of them. When you are done making the plaits, attach a starfish clip and you are done. Take your hair, divide it into three parts, make plaits out of all the three parts. Try making plaits so that you make sure that your hair looks very desired and classy from below. Try making plaits just like this so that you get the desired look. Tie the lower part of the hair with the help of a rubber band. Divide your hair into 4 equal halves from the above and keep attaching ponytails one after the other. Then take few section of hair from behind, tie ponytail and you are done. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail. Now, lessen the ponytail, roll it upwards and then circle it to your rubber band part of the hair so that it looks like a circular perfect juda. Now, put a juda cup above it so that it looks finished. Thank you for watching.